Good evening everyone and welcome to the session 3 from the playlist of electromagnetic waves. The topic is the Maxwell equations and based on this topic I have written here a few points which will help us to understand the topic of Maxwell equations. So Maxwell equations basically consist of 4 equations which define the basic laws of electricity and magnetism. The first equation is the Gauss law of electrostatics, which states that the total electric flux passing through a closed surface is equal to Q upon epsilon naught, where Q is the net charge enclosed by that surface. The second equation is the Gauss law of magnetism, which states that the net magnetic flux through a closed surface is always equal to 0. The third equation is the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, which states that the net the induced EMF in a circuit is numerically equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux through it. And the fourth equation is the Ampere-Maxwell law, which states that the line integral of the magnetic field is equal to mu naught times in bracket the sum of the conduction current and the displacement current, where displacement current is equal to epsilon naught into d phi E upon dt, where d phi E upon dt is the rate of change of electric flux. So the displacement current is generated due to the changing electric field, or you can say due to the changing electric flux. So this Ampere-Maxwell law is basically the modified version of the Ampere-Circuital law. And the Ampere-Circuital law was defined by this formula, that is the line integral of the magnetic field the line integral of the magnetic field around a closed path was equal to mu naught times sigma I, where sigma I is the net current which is threading through the area enclosed by that closed path. So this equation, which was given by Ampere, was modified by Maxwell, and it was finally given as the line integral of magnetic field is equal to mu naught times in bracket the sum of the conduction current and the displacement current. So because it was modified by the Maxwell, so this equation is called the Ampere-Maxwell law. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a question which will be based on Maxwell equations. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.